students. I hope you are all fine in your home. Today, grade 2 computer science. We are going to discuss the topic Know your computer. Know your computer. K-N-O-W. Know. Y-O-U-R. Your. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Computer. Know your computer. Do you know, children, what is a computer? A computer is a electronic machine. Say, what is a computer? Listen, children, what is a computer? A computer is a machine. A computer is a machine. A computer is a machine. Otherwise, electronic machine. A computer is a machine. A computer is a machine. Where it is work? It works on electricity. It works on electricity. It works on electricity. It saves our time. It saves time. It saves our time. It works very fast or slow? It works very fast. It works very fast. What is a computer? A computer is a machine. What is a computer? A computer is a machine. It works on electricity. What do you mean by electricity? Electricity means power. It saves time. It works very fast. Reminding one time. Repeat. What is a computer? A computer is a machine. A computer is a machine. It works on electricity. It saves time. It works very fast. In this chapter, first topic, introduction. First topic, introduction. In this introduction has two types of. In this introduction, how many types? Two types. First one, machine. First one, machine. M-A-C-H-I-N-E-S. First one, machines. Second one, natural thing. N-A-T-U-R-A-L. Natural. I said how many types? Two types. First one machine, second one natural. Do you know what is a machine? Do you know what is a machine? First, what is the difference between machine and natural thing? What is a machine? What is a machine? Do you know, children, what is a machine? Machine I said before, machine make our work very easier. Machine, man-made thing which makes our work easier. What is a machine? Machine, man-made thing which makes our work easier. Say, what is a machine? Machine. What is a machine? Machine is man thing. Machine is man thing which makes our work easier. Say, what is a machine? Machine is man-made thing which makes our work easier. Before itself I said, in this introduction chapter we see two different topics. First one machine, second one natural. What is a machine? Machine is man-made thing which makes our work easier. Example, do you know how many machine items is there? Example, first one washing machine, second one mobile phone. Then say first of all, first one washing machine, television. Example, first one television, T-E-L-E-V-I-S-I-O-N, television. Mobile phone, third one washing machine. Washing machine. Say, what is this? Machine items. What is the machine? Machine makes our work very easier. These items, examples of machines. First one television, second one mobile phone, third one washing machine. T-E-L-E-V-I-S-I-O-N, television. Second one example for machine, mobile phone. M-O-B-I-L-E, mobile phone. P-H-O-N-E, mobile phone. Third one example of machine, washing machine. W-A-S-C-H-I-N-G, washing machine. M-A-C-H-I-N-E, machine, washing machine. Second one, natural things. Second topic, natural things. Do you know what is the natural thing? It is the machine item? No, it is not machine. Second one, natural things. N-A-T-U-R-A-L, natural. What is the natural thing? Is it machine? No, it is not machine. It is not machine. What is the natural thing? It is not machine. Example of natural items. First one, fruits. Fruits is the machine item? No, it is not machine. Fruits. Fruits. Second one, sun. Third one, moon. Remember these two topics one time. First one, machine. Second one, natural. What is the machine? Machine is man-made thing which makes our work easier. I said before, 4 examples. First one, television. Second one, mobile phone. Third one, washing machine. What is the nature item? It is not machine. Is it machine? No, it is not machine. Example of natural: fruits, sun, moon. These all are not machine. These all are not machines. Up next, do you know how many parts of a computer? How many parts of a computer? 4 parts of a computer. How many parts of? 4 parts of. Do you know, children? This one monitor. This one monitor. This one CPU. This one keyboard. This one mouse. This one mouse. This one monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU. I said again one time. This how many parts of computer? 4 parts of computer. First one monitor. Second one keyboard. Third one mouse. Fourth one CPU. Say first one, parts of computer. What is this? Parts of computer. How many? I said how many parts of computer? 4 parts of computer. First one monitor. First one monitor. What is the spelling of monitor? M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Monitor. Second one keyboard. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Keyboard. Third one mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Fourth one CPU. CPU. How many parts of computer? 4 parts of computer. First one monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU. M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Monitor. What is the monitor? Monitor looks like a TV set. Do you know, children? What is the monitor? Monitor looks like a TV set. Keyboard. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Keyboard. Third one mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Fourth one CPU. CPU. What is the CPU? CPU means Central Processing Unit. Next one, uses of computer. Next one, uses of computers. Do you know, children, where and all we use the computers? We use the computers education field. Education field. Business. Hospital. Banking. Students. Marketing. Home. Government offices. Where and all we use the computers? First one, education field. Business. hospital, banking, students, marketing, home, government offices. Nowadays the computers in very important in our day to day life. We use computers to different types of works in our home. For what purpose we use the system in our home? First one, drawing pictures. D-R-A-W-I-N-G, drawing pictures. U-R-E-S, drawing pictures. Next one, playing games. Playing, P-L-A-Y, play, I-N-G, playing games. Playing games. Third one, online shopping. Online shopping, S-H-O-P-P-I-N-G, online shopping. To send and receive the message. To send and receive message. To send and receive message. Next, to playing games and watching movies. To play games and watching movies. Songs, to play games, watching movies, and listen to music. Listen to music. See, first one, drawing pictures. Playing games, online shopping, to send and receive message, to play games, watching movies, listen to music. I am going to tell another one time. First one, in our home, drawing pictures. D-R-A-W-I-N-G, drawing pictures. P-I-C-T-U-R-E-S, pictures, drawing pictures. Playing games. P-L-A-Y-I-N-G, playing games. G-A-M-E-S, playing games. Next, online shopping. O-N-L-I-N-E, online shopping. S-H-O-P-P-I-N-G, shopping. Next, to send and receive message. T-O-2-S-E-N-D, send, A-N-D, and R-E-C-E-I-V-E, receive message. M-E-S-S-A-G-E, message. To play games, watching movies. T-O-2-P-L-A-Y, play games. G-A-M-E-S, games. W-A-T-C-H-I-N-G, watching. Movies. M-O-V-I-E-S, movies. Listen to music. L-I-S-T-E-N, listen. T-O-2-M-U-S-I-C, music. For what purpose we use the computer? Drawing and pictures. We can draw the pictures on a computer. We can draw the pictures on a computers. We can using the color. First one, drawing and coloring pictures. First one, drawing and coloring pictures. Drawing and coloring pictures. Coloring pictures. First one, drawing and coloring pictures. We can draw the pictures on a computer. We can draw the pictures on a computers. We can draw the pictures on a computer. Say, what is this? We can draw the W-E-V, can draw the, we can draw the pictures on a computer. Pictures on a computer. We can draw the pictures on a computer. We can color them by using a mouse. We can color them by using a mouse. I'm going to tell another one time. First one, drawing and coloring pictures. We can draw a pictures on a computer. We can draw a pictures on a computer. We can color them by using a mouse. D-R-A-W-I-N-G, drawing. A-N-D, and C-O-L-O-R-I-N-G, coloring. Pictures. P-I-C-T-U-R-E-S, pictures. W-E-V-C-A-N, can. D-R-A-W, draw. T-H-E, the, pictures. P-I-C-T-U-R-E-S, pictures. O-N, a, computer. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer. We can color them by using a mouse. W-E-V-C-A-N, can. C-O-L-O-R, color. T-H-E-M, them. B-Y, by. U-S-I-N-G, using a mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. we can color them by using a mouse. Second one, playing games. Playing games. Second one, playing games. To play games, various play on the computer. To playing games, various. To second one, playing games. To playing various games on a computer. Playing games. What is this? To playing various games on a computer. Examples, do you know more games on our computer? To playing various games on a computer. Games on a computer. Second, next, computer can play music, songs and movies. Next one, computer can play music, songs and watching videos. Music, songs and watching videos. Watching videos. First one. Second one, playing games. Second one, playing games. To play various games on a computer. Playing games. What is a playing games? To playing games various on a computer. Example, chess. This like come the playing games. Second one, computer can play music, songs and watching videos. Computer can play music, songs and watching videos. P L A Y I N G, playing games. G A M E S, games. T O 2 P L A Y I N G, playing various. B A R I O U S, various games. G A M E S, games. O N on a computer. C O M P U T E R, computer. Second one, computer can play music, songs and watching videos. C O M P U T E R, computer. C A N, can. P L A Y, play music. M U S I C, music. Songs. S O N G S, songs. A N D, and. Watching. W A T C H I N G, watching videos. V I D E O S, videos. Next one, to solve sums. Next one, to solve sums. Third one, to solve sums. To solve sums. T O 2 S-O-L-V-E, solve, S-U-M-S, to solve sums. We can, next one, to solve sums. To solve sums. We can do sums and some other calculations. We can do sums. We can do sums. We can do sums and some other calculations. To solve sums, we can do sums and some other calculations on a computer. Some other calculations on a computer. Say, what is this? To solve sums. To solve sums. We can do sums and some other calculations on a computer. To solve sums, we can do sums and some other calculations on a computer. Can we go to the next one? Next one, write a letter. Next one, write a letter. Next one, write a letter. We have to write a letter and stories on a computer. Write a letter. Write a letter. Write a letter and stories. Stories on a computer. Say, write a letter and stories on a computer. W-R-I-T-E, write a letter. L-E-T-T-E-R, letter. A-N-D, and S-T-O-R-I-E-S, stories, O-N-R, a computer, C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer. To solve sums, we can do sums and some other calculations. Next one, write a letter. Write a letter and stories on a computer. Still, we saw playing music, games and videos. After that, to solve sums, write a letter, online shopping, then to book and cancel the tickets, to send message and receive the message. See, can you remember one time what is a computer? A computer is a electronic machine. A computer is a electronic machine. How many parts of a computer? 4 main parts of a computer. How many parts of a computer? 4 main parts of a computer. This one, monitor, CPU, mouse, keyboard. Monitor, CPU, mouse, keyboard. What is a monitor? A monitor looks like a TV set. What is a monitor? A monitor looks like a TV set. CPU. What is a CPU? CPU is one of the brain of the computer. What is a CPU? CPU is brain of the computer. This one, keyboard. This one, mouse. We can find computer at many places. We can find computers at many places. First one, at home, in school, in bank, in hospital, in office. At home, in school, in bank, in hospital, in office. A-T at H-O-M-E home. I-N in. S-C-H-O-O-L school. I-N in. B-A-N-K bank. I-N in hospital. H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L hospital. I-N in office. O-F-F-I-C-E office. Still we saw what is a computers, then how many parts of a computers. After we can find computers at many places. Students, listen this topic very well. Okay, thank you.